Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are very well. You all are very welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is multiplication. So here we are having our chapter number 6, and today we are going to see what we are going to learn in this chapter of multiplication. So multiplication is a easy version of repeated addition. So keep it in mind, we are going to use these terms in this topic. Okay, let's see what we are having. Here we are having some concepts just like we have discussed in our previous classes. So the first thing we are having is multiplication as a repeated addition. When we have the same number, okay, when we have same number, we have to add that particular number, same number, so many times. So we can change that in multiplication. Just like here we are having two dolls, 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. So we are having three groups of 2 are 6. So we can write this as short way, that is 2 into 6, sorry, 2 into 3 is 6. So we use a special sign, that is cross sign, that X stands for multiplication. We call this 6 is called the product, and 2 and 3 are the factors of the product. Okay, in the same way, in the same way we can see one another example, that is one girl has two legs. So four girls have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8 legs. So we can simply write that 4 into 2 is 8. So this is our multiplication. So when we are having repeated addition, so we can change them in multiplication concept. Okay, now we are going to discuss our next topic, that is let's let us study the following. Okay, here we are having balloons. Okay, so here we are having two groups of four balloons, or we can say that four groups of two. Okay, that means these two, these two, these two, these two. We are having total four groups. So we can say that 4 times 2 is 8. Here we are having five groups of three. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that 5 times 3 is 15. For this 5 times 3, 4 times 2, you have to learn the tables. Okay. If you learn the tables, then multiplication is a easy game for you. So let's just try. Okay. We are having four groups of two footballs. So we can say that four groups of two are 8. Because I have learned the table, so I can write easily 4 twos are 8. Clear? The next part is for you. Okay. Next come to our properties of multiplication. Okay. So there is the first property, a change in the order of the factor. If we change the order of a factor, then factor does not change the product. So there is no change in the answer of multiplication or product. So see, here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 5. That means we are in 30. That is 6 times 5 is 30. So here we are in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 5 times 6 is 30. So we have changed our order 6 into 5 or 5 into 6. So we are having the product is 30 in both the cases. Okay, now we are having property of multiplication, and we are going to discuss our second property. When a number is multiplied by 0, okay, then the product becomes 0. Okay, just in case of example, here we are having 92 multiplied by 0, we are having 0. So if you multiply any number by 0, then you will have the answer always 0. Now we are having when 0 is multiplied by a number, the product becomes 0. Now if you multiply 0 with any number, that means both the same, but here we are having that we are going to multiply a number by 0. Here we are having 0 is multiplied by any other number. So in both the cases, we also always have answer 0. So here we are having exercise, that is 6.1. Now we are having question number 1. In the boxes, one has been done for you. Okay, here we are having question number B, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. That is 3 times 5 is also 15, and 3 times 5 is also a 50. Clear? Now move to our next part, that is match the following. Okay. So here we are having column A and B. So just take question number 2, B part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 8. Have you seen 5 times 8? Yes. This is 40. Let's choose D part also. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are having 4 times 6. Have you seen 4 times 6? Yes. This is fifth part. Clear? In this way, you have to solve this question. Now come to our next part, that is question number 3. Actually, this is question number 3, fill in the blanks, and this is based on the properties which which we had discussed earlier. So here we are having C part, that is 1 multiplied by 97 is 97, and 0 is multiplied by this, that is 0, and okay, if you multiply any number by 0, then you again have answer 0. Clear? Okay, now move to our next part, that is multiplication on the number line. So here we are having multiplication of 3 by 2 using a number line. Uh, in the concept of multiplication of a number line, you have to just jump the number exactly number of times. What is this? Here we are having 3 by 2. So we have to jump 3 2 times, just like 0 to 3, and again 3 to 6. So we have 1, 2, 3 number jump always. Clear? Next we are having, okay, now we are having question. It is multiply the following using a number line. So we are having question number 2. So if we count 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 is the number. So here we are having the answer is 12. So we can write this 12. So here we can write 4 times 3 is again 12. Clear? Okay. Now move to our next topic, that is multiplication table. Okay. So multiplication table is so easy to learn, but you have to revise it so many times in number of days or months. If you don't revise it, you will forget. Clear? Just like this one, this is a table of 2. Here we are having 2 ones, 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 2 fives are 10. Here, in this way, you have to learn the table. 6 twos are 12, 7 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 9 twos are 18, 10 twos are 20. So in this way, you are going to learn the table of 2, 3, and some other also. Okay, next is combined multiplication table. Okay, listen, if you multiply any number and you have any confusion, you can use this table by how. Let's multiply 6 times 5. So how much we are going to have? So we can use the first is 6th row, sorry, 6th column, and the second is 5th. Now we have to use 5th row. So here we are having the cross section part, that is 30. Clear? So in this way we are going to find out the multiplication. First thing, you have to learn the tables. If you haven't confused, then you can use this table. Okay, now we are having exercise 6.2. Fill in the blanks. You can use that table for filling it. So, but I am doing it directly because I have learned the tables. Just like 9 fives are 45. Then we are having I part. That is 10 multiplied by 9. That is 90. Here. Okay. Now we are having exercise 6.2, question number 2, match the following columns. Okay. Here we are having column A and column B. So let's pick question number 2B part. that is 9 into 4. 9 fours are 36. Have you seen 36 anywhere? Okay, here we are having first point. Next, we will pick D part. 8 is a 64. So we will mark it here. That is first point. Okay, next is mental maths. Okay, here we are having fill in the boxes. Okay, let's pick question number 3. Here we are having 3 groups of dash ice creams make 9 groups of 3 ice creams. So we are having 9 groups of 3 ice creams. So how many ice creams are there? So we can say that 3 groups of 9 ice cream makes 9 groups of 3 ice cream. Here we are having the concept of change in order. See, 3 times of 9 and 9 times of 3. You will have the same answer. Clear? Okay, now come to our next part. That is multiplication by one digit number without cash. Okay, here we are having 2-digit number and 1-digit number. The first thing you have to multiply this number by ones place and this number by tens place. Here, just like 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are so. Now come to our next part. Multiplication by a one digit number without carrying. Okay, this is also the same part. So now we are having exercise 6.3. Now we are going to multiply. This is 3-digit number and 1-digit number. So I will pick first B part. So first thing we have to do is this 2 is multiplied by ones place, then tens place, then 100 place. Just like 2 twos are 4, then again 2 twos are 4, and 2 ones are 2. Clear? After that we are having G part. That is 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. Clear? In this way, you have to use the multiplication tables to multiply it. Next, come to exercise 6.3 and question number 2. Write yes or no. Okay. Here we are having question number A. If you multiply any number by 1, you have the same answer. That means yes. Okay, then pick C part. 312 is multiplied by 2. We are having answer 312. No. Okay, let's pick one more part, that is F part. 675 multiplied by 0 is 675. No. This is also wrong. Because here we are having 0. Next is multiplication by one digit with carrying. Okay. Just pick this part. If we multiply any two numbers and we will have a product of 2-digit number. So we are going to just carry in the same way just we have done in addition. Just like 6 2s are 12. Here we are having 12. So this 2 is at their place and this one is we carried forward to the next place. Clear? And then we have to add them. Okay, now we are having exercise that is 6.4 and here we are going to do the question number 1, find the product. So let's pick B part, that is 7 5s are 35. We have 2-digit number. So ones place is written here and this tens place will be forward to or carry to the next place. Just like here 3. Now we have to multiply these two numbers first. 7 4s are 28 and then we have to add this carry 1. 8 plus 3 is 1, carry 1, this is 3. So we are having 315 as an answer. Clear? Okay, let's choose one more question to clear your concepts. So let's pick question number D. Here we are having 64 multiplied by 8. The first thing you have to do is 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4s are 32. So we have to use the ones place here and 3 will be carried forward. So here we are having 8 is a 48. Then we have to add this carry number 1 and this is 5. So here we are having 512. Clear? Okay. Then here we are having multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. The same way we will multiply. Okay, come to question number 1, multiply the following. Here we are having 4 part. Let's pick B part. Here we are having 8 4s are 32. So we will write 2 here and 3 will be carried to next place. 4 2 is the 8, 9, 10, 11. Again 11. 1 should be placed here and 1 should be carried forward. Now we are having 4 2 is 8 plus 1. This is 9. This is 912. Clear? Okay. Now solve one more part to clear our doubts. Let's take question number C. So first we are going to multiply, that is 5 4s are 20. So this is, here we are having 0 and we will put 2 here. 4 4 is 16, 17, 18, 8, carry 1 and 4 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. So you can write it in this way also. Now come to our next part, that is word problem type questions. Okay, listen. When we have a word problem, then we have to understand the concept. When we have given a value of one article or one quantity, and we are going to ask many quantities and good. Listen, suppose let's take example of this concept that if a price of one chocolate is given, that is 100 rupees, and you were asked to tell that the price of 5 chocolates. The one chocolate is of 10 rupees and you are asked for 5 chocolates. What is the price of 5 chocolates? And you have to use the concept of multiplication. When the quantity is given of one article, the price is given of one article and ask for many number of articles. Yeah. So we are going to use the concept of multiplication. So here we are having exercise that is 6.6. Let's pick one question. Okay, let's pick question number 4. So here we have question number 4. Then how many days are there in 37 weeks if each week contains 7 days? Okay, so we have given the value of 1 week, that is 7 days, and we are asked for 37 weeks. So we are going to use the concept of multiplication because we are having a value of 1 week and ask for many weeks. So first write the statement number of days in 1 week, that is 7 days. Clear? Then we have to find out the number of days in 37 weeks. So we have to just multiply 37 into 7. This will become 7 to 49, 4, 7, 3 is 21 plus 4, 25, 259 days in 37 weeks. Clear? So in this way, we are going to solve the questions of multiplication in word problem category. Okay, our topic is finished. So I hope you have learned the concept of multiplication and you will practice it more. So thank you for listening us carefully and thank you so much.